Today, I'll show you exactly how to save a Word document directly to OneDrive in 2025. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to keep your files safe in the cloud, access them from any device, and even turn on powerful features like automatic backup and real-time collaboration. Ready? Let's jump right in. So you've got a Word document open, the report you just finished for class, maybe a resume update, or even just your notes. The very first thing you'll want to do is save it somewhere safe. For that, let's open the Save menu. Just head up to the top left of your Word window and click on File, then select Save As. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press F12 and you'll jump straight to the save screen. Think of this step as choosing which shelf to put your book on, a shelf you know you'll find again wherever you go. Next up, the crucial part, choosing OneDrive as your location. Take a look at the list of places where you can save your document. You should see something like OneDrive, your name, or maybe your organization's name if you're using a work account. Go ahead and click on that. Choosing OneDrive isn't just about storage, it's about flexibility. When you use OneDrive, your documents don't just sit on your computer, they're stored in the cloud, meaning if your computer crashes or you want to keep working on your phone or another computer, your document is always there, ready for you. Think of it as keeping a backup copy in your pocket at all times. Now let's finish naming and saving your document. You'll see a field to enter your file name, maybe something memorable like Q2 Meeting Minutes or 2025 Resume. Naming your file clearly is a small step, but it can save you huge headaches later when you're searching. Once you're happy with the name, just click Save. If you pause for a second while it uploads, that's normal, especially if your internet is a bit slow or if the document has pictures or charts in it. But here, where it gets powerful. At the very top left of your Word window, you'll see something called Auto Save. That little switch is a real game changer. If you toggle Auto Save to the on position, Word will immediately prompt you to save to OneDrive if you haven't already. What does Auto Save do? Every change you make after that will be saved automatically in real time. So if you're collaborating with coworkers, you'll see their updates instantly, and you'll never have to worry about losing work if your laptop battery dies unexpectedly. It's like having an invisible helper saving your document every few seconds. How cool is that? If you don't see autosave, don't worry. It might mean the document isn't stored in OneDrive yet, so just double-check that save location. And that's it, you've now saved your Word document directly to OneDrive. Set yourself up for automatic backups and unlock the door to smooth collaboration. Now you can access your files from anywhere, share them securely, or just rest easy knowing your hard work's protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical how-tos like this one. Thanks for watching and happy saving.